All right, let's talk about the impacts for this weekend from the weather. We're going to watch this afternoon, even late this morning, for some heavy rainfall. And with that, we've got a flash flood watch in effect for parts of our region, Hancock, Hawkins, and Greene. The reason those counties are under the flash flood watch and not the entire region is because we had some heavy rain there a couple days ago. And so those areas kind of have a little bit more saturated ground and a little bit better chance of seeing some runoff flooding in those poor drainage areas, creeks and streams. So that's why those flood watches in effect there. Here's the culprit for all the rain and storm chances. We've got a warm front here to our south. This is lifting north and east. And as this pushes into our area a little bit later on this morning, you'll see the clouds push in first, then some of these showers and storms moving into the area. Some of these have some heavy rainfall and also some potential for hail with them. Check out this storm right here. Now, radar just updated, but what I was going to show you is something kind of cool in weather. We call that sometimes a flying eagle signature, or it basically shows us there's a pretty good chance some of those storms are producing some severe weather. You can see the waves of rain coming through, not just today, but into the overnight and into tomorrow. So we've got several kind of periods of rain that we're expecting. One later on today, another one as we go into the kind of evening time frame, and then another one into the overnight and into Sunday morning. So not an all-day constant rain, but certainly some on and off through your weekend. Here we are at 7 o'clock today, and before that, you notice the winds coming out of the south now. That'll help promote some of these shower and storm chances. As this pushes through, we will see increased rain chances through the afternoon and evening. So if you're heading out to some of the races at Bristol, do expect temperatures in the 50s with some chance for rain throughout the evening and into the early overnight. Tomorrow, kind of an interesting day. Temperatures are going to get up into the 60s. That may be a little earlier in the day, though. Heavy morning rain with that front coming through, and then some scattered afternoon showers. I'm going to keep my fingers crossed, be a little optimistic here, and say that we may be able to clear everything out tomorrow afternoon and get the Food City Dirt Race in a little bit later on in the evening. Just may have a few delays there. For today, our severe weather risks, most of the region a level 1 risk, level 2 and 3 west of us, where we could see some hefty storms, hail, and tornadoes there across the red zones. We will be monitoring for some storm risk across our area, not just today, but also into tonight as that front comes through. Now, that front looks to arrive as we go into the early morning hours of Sunday. So as you're watching this very show tomorrow morning, we could be talking about some showers and storms pushing through the area. Here we are at 5 a.m. and you notice this kind of very forced line, or a bowing line almost, of showers and storms. With that, we have an increased chance for wind as it pushes through. That comes through between around 5 a.m. and 8 a.m. tomorrow morning. Timing always subject to change a little bit. Sometimes these things like to speed up, like you like to do on the interstate sometimes, I'm sure, when you want to try to get somewhere faster and move through a little bit faster than some of the models predict. But let's say generally tomorrow morning is the time to watch for that. Then as we go into the afternoon, some clearing, but notice a few scattered showers still across the area, and even into the late afternoon and evening time frame, but rain chances do start to fade. Here's your temperatures for Saturday, 68 degrees, kind of similar to tomorrow too. Tonight we drop down not that much, only into the mid 50s, thanks to those clouds sticking around and a few chances for some showers. 7-day looks like this. A lot of rain earlier on, but the upcoming work week looks pretty good. A little cooler though as we head into Wednesday and especially Thursday. A little bit of a chance of some wintry mix in a few spots Thursday. We'll keep you updated on that as we get closer.